Say thank you, Grandma Marcia.
Look at the camera, buddy.
Camera.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Grandma. Say Marcia. Say Marcia. Close enough.
Here. Open it from here. What is it?
What is it? What is it, Jacob?
Wow. Wow, Jacob. Okay, can you look at Daddy and say thank you?
Say Marcia. No, say thank you, Grandma Marcia. What is it, Jacob? It's a dump truck? Is it green dump truck? Say green.
That was easy to open.
Wow, look at that one, buddy.